You see stuff flying?
Yeah, that is dangerous.
No, it's come up around now.
Yeah. And now it's back.
Oh wow, look at that. You think we should take cover?
I wouldn't recommend against it. Especially if it turns this way.
Shoot, it looks like it's coming this way. It's heading towards the creek.
No, it's kind of a...
Look at that bird just flying right there. He's fixing to have to vacate.
That is kind of coming this way.
Oh, you can hear it. Yeah. You can start to feel it. Hurricanes have different categories?
Yeah, as to tornadoes.
Oh yeah, hurricanes definitely. I was meant tornadoes. Whoa. Holy cow. It's going right through the... Holy cow. That's like what, sucking stuff out of the creek or what? Alright, I guess we should be ready to close the garage door.
Yep.
Huh? Let's see, is it going to dissipate?
Nope.
It's crossing the road, yeah. Storm chasers. Or storm runners. What's that guy in Ghostbusters, Gozer?
Yeah.
Telling the gods to come over here. What is that flying up there? Oh yeah, it is. And I think it's gone.
When we challenged ourselves